Okay class, so today we are going to start our next chapter, that is chapter 4, birds, beaks and claws. So as you can see in the slide, birds also need food to live, but they do not have teeth. They have beaks and claws to get food and eat it. Birds mainly eat fish, meat, seed, fruits and insects. The claws and beak of a bird tells us about its eating habits. So now class we will focus on functions of beak. A bird's beak is useful in many ways. So the first point is it helps the bird to get its food. Okay, second point is most birds smoothen their feathers using their beaks. This is called preening. Okay, now the third point is birds use their beaks to carry building materials used for making nests. And the fourth point is birds use their beaks to protect themselves. So these are the four things for which birds use their beaks. Now coming to the next topic, that is different beaks. That means there are different type of beaks with different type of birds, that depending upon their feeding habit. So flesh eating birds have strong, sharp and curved beaks for tearing flesh. Grain eating birds have short, hard, stony beaks to crush grains and seeds. The duck is a water bird with a broad and flat beak. There are tiny holes at the sides of its beak. When the duck takes in the muddy water with insects, worms, and plants, the mud and water flow out of the holes. The swallow is a bird with a short and broad beak. It has a sticky tongue and mouth. The swallow keeps its beak open while flying so tiny insects get stuck in its mouth. A bird like a parrot has a hooked beak for cracking nuts and hard fruits. The curved beak also helps it to climb. The parrot can move its upper beak. The hoopoe is having a long, curved and slender beak for pulling out insects from their hiding places such as holes in the ground. The woodpecker has a strong and chisel-shaped beak. It makes a hole in the barks of trees and catches the insect living under them. Now the next topic, as you can see class, it is feet and claws. Most birds have 4 toes on each foot and claws at the tip of their toes. The arrangement, size and shape of the toes and claws are related to the bird's needs and movements. Claws help the birds to catch their prey, hold their prey firmly while flying, protect themselves from their enemies and move around. So class, claws are useful to the birds in 4 ways. The first point is they use their claws to catch their prey. Okay, now the second is hold their prey firmly. Firmly means to hold it gently and tightly. Okay, so that it don't fall off from the claws. Then to protect themselves from the claw enemies by the help of claws. Then to move around. I hope that all of you have understood it well class. That's all for today's class. Thank you class.